Hello guys, in this video we are just going to verify if or if not magnesium can burn in water. So stick with me, it will be a fun process. We all know magnesium can burn in air, but I wanted to find out if it can burn in water. So I performed two tests where I burned one in the air and the other where I burned it in water. Now this is test one. I ignited the magnesium and yes, it burns pretty well in air. Now time for the second test, to burn it in water. Now this test went bad because the magnesium strip I used was too thin, and when it fell in the water absorbed all the heat, so there was none left to continue the reaction. So I used a bigger strip this round, and yes, it actually burned. And you can actually see it reacting faster in the water than when it was burning in the air. And I think this is because the reactants are readily available since the H2O is in abundance here. And I also noticed that the innermost part of the magnesium didn't actually react. And I think this is due to the fact that the magnesium formed a thick layer of magnesium hydroxide, which prevented the innermost part from actually becoming completely oxidized. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.